confused. What about you, Keisha?
The beach.
She thinks the beach. Me too. The beach is pretty fun. Anyway, and also guys, how do you like my new haircut? Does it suit me well? I just couldn't take care of long hair, so I just wanted to do short hair. So yeah. And also don't forget to subscribe and like. And also stay tuned if we're gonna go to the beach or the playground. We're in the playground right now, and I'm super excited. It's a really, really big playground. And yay, I'm so excited. Let's go in, Keisha. I'm gonna open this first. Yeah. Come on, let's go in.
Push harder.
Wow! Yeah!
Oh, should we do that?
No, because there's a lot of people now. I told you to do it before.
Let's go in his house.
Line up, right? This is obsessed with the house.
Me first.
Okay, so let's go over here.
Be careful, Keisha.
Alright. The bird looks so weird.
Keisha!
I did.
Yay!
Is it for me?
Wow, good job. Hi. Jason. Okay, Keisha, turn.
So laser beam. God. And it's another Australian YouTuber, and he plays Splash Royale. And he...
Okay, go.
Faster.
I don't know if I can. It's automatic.
So much for watching, everybody. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss any video of ours. Bye!